In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the HY300 Projector to HDMI. For this we need a HDMI cable. Here I have a HDMI cable with on both ends an HDMI end. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug one end of the HDMI cable. We're gonna plug here in the projector, in here. So let me do that like this. Let me turn on also the HDMI projector. Yes, it's turning on. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug the other end of the HDMI cable. We're gonna plug in your phone, laptop, or whatever device you're gonna use. I have here a MacBook, so I'm gonna plug this end of the cable in my MacBook. Like this here. Alright, let me put the screen well like this. Now what we need to do is with the remote control we need to select HDMI, and now the HY projector is connected to my laptop with the HDMI. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and then I see you in the next one.